on Slinky Dog.
You're gonna get to go 2 times.
Wow. Auntie Cheryl's first time on Slinky Dog. Slinky Dog, let's go. Woo! First time. This is so cool.
Ray, what ride are we going on?
Woo! Slinky Dog.